Hi, Craig here from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a Holden VF Commodore wagon. The stock reference number for this Commodore is 3095, and they ran from the 5th month 2013 through to the 12th month 2017. It has a 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine known as the LFX with a rear-wheel drive automatic transmission. 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine, LFX. You can find out what type of engine the Commodore has from the little chrome plate just down here beside your airbox. Even the transmission code, everything you need to know basically. Looks like we have a good left-hand halogen headlight, good left-hand daytime running lamp, good left-hand fog lamp. This vehicle is fitted with factory 18-inch alloy wheels. Good left-hand electric door mirror. Both the left-hand doors appear to be in good condition, along with the side skirt. Good left-hand taillight suit wagon. Nice tidy rear bumper, park sensor type, dual exhausts. Good right-hand taillight suit wagon. Nice clean, non-spoilered type wagon tailgate. A little bit of damage in the centre of that right rear door. Nothing major to fix. This VF wagon has a black leather interior. Has power windows, power mirrors. Nice bucket seats. Unfortunately the driver's one's airbag's gone. Steering wheel. Instrument cluster. Factory sat nav. Single stack CD player, etc. Factory climate control. Automatic transmission. Nice tidy centre console. This one has an owner's manual and a dealer case. A good glove box. Passenger side sun visor. Roof console. Interior mirror. Driver's side sun visor. At Total Parts Plus we have a real warranty which we uphold. We also ship parts Australia-wide daily. You can find us via our website, totalpartsplus.com.au, or our eBay store, Total Parts Plus One. Use social media, Facebook and Instagram to keep our customers and followers up to date with the new stock coming through daily. We're more than welcome to come on down to our Coopers Plains warehouse and say hello to one of our friendly sales staff. We'd like to thank you for watching our video today.